Hi students, we will discuss about call by reference in C programming. In this, in call by reference, the address of the variable is passed into the function call as an actual parameter. When you see the call by value, we are passing the data, direct data, but here we are not passing any direct data. Instead of we are passing the address of that particular variable. Variable going to have a value for that particular address we are sending as a actual parameter. We should be very careful here. So for this we will want to use the pointers. Okay, so the value of actual parameters can be modified, nothing but when you see the call by value you cannot able to modify the formal parameters. Okay, so but formal parameters, here whatever the value we're going to send it to the actual from the actual parameter to formal parameter, then it can be modified in the formal parameter. The value of actual parameter can be modified by the changing the formal parameters since the address of the actual parameters is passed. Again, in call by reference, the memory allocation is similar. There, in call by value, different memory allocation is different for different methods. Main method is different allocation. Again, user defined method is different allocation. But here, for memory allocation will be similar for both formal as well as actual. All the operations in the functions are performed on the value stored at the address of the actual parameters, and modified value gets stored at the same address. So we should be very careful with this. Whatever the address you will going to pass through actual parameter, that will be modified. Again, you can able to take the data there itself. Means stored in the same address, it is available in the same address. Okay, the value will going to have an address, right? In that address only you will going to have the modified value. That's it, very simple. We're going to see in the real scenario. Before that we can able to see the small program. Here you can able to, they are using the pointers, so pointers will going to help you to so pass the address. That's what you need to study, the pointers. See here, so this is my uh, form of parameter. Again you can able to see address of x. I am sending the address, so we are sending the address as an actual parameter. That should you need to understand. We will going to write a program on this in real manner. So we understood this one. There is a problem here. See, you can able to print the value of x and y in the call by value. You can able to see x and y in the call by value. But if I copy this, see same. So when I want to print here x and y, the a and b values are different, x and y values are different. If you print here a and b, so it will give the value 77 and 66. But after swapping, so the values are changed now, x and y. Definitely you cannot print x and y. So that's what you're going to have a confusion which value you have to print. So that's why you will going to error. You will find an error here. So to overcome this, to overcome all this, we will going to use the call by reference. We will going to see that one. So now you can able to see. So same program. What I will going to do? Just I will going to change the address. Okay, so what they are saying very clearly, we have to pass the address. That's why in the formal arguments, what I will going to do, just I will going to change the address here. I wanted to pass the address, right? That's why I will going to change the address. Nothing but 77. A is having the value 77. That address I am passing here. That's address of A. Ampersand A we are passing here. So address I am passing as a actual parameter here. So here what I will going to do, I will going to make a pointer here. So I will going to create a pointer. Please study the pointer, you will understand. I will going to create a pointer over here. Again for y also I am creating the pointer. So whatever the value is there, so the pointer x is pointing at the address of A. So address of A consists of 77. So directly pointer x is pointing 77. That you need to understand this point. Okay. Here you need to understand address of integer temp, again pointer of x, again here I am transferring the data from y to x, that is pointer x, again here also pointer y. So again, so temp value, whatever the value you transfer to the temp, that will be transferred to the pointer y. So this one you need to understand very clearly. Again, we are printing the pointer value. Okay, that's why you need to use pointer here. That is star y, again pointer y. That's it. Again, here also you have to create a pointers. So that's why, so here you can able to see, so you can able to create the pointer like this, star x or star y. Otherwise you can able to remove this one. So just you create a pointer, so that data what we are taking from the actual arguments or actual parameters, that is address of a and b. So here we are taking the values of address, that is in the form of pointers. Okay, pointer is pointing the address. So just you create a pointer here. That's it. So now we will go into again. Now see, you can able to print the pointer x and pointer y as well. I can print the values over here also. So here you can able to print a and b. Let's see. You can able to see here a is equal to 77, and b is equal to 66. After swapping 66, 77, one more time I am printing, that's why 66, 77. So if you use pointers also, just you can able to pass the a and b value. Why? Because see, so here I am printing the pointer value, because this function is belongs to pointer function, that is user defined function. It is completely pointer, that's why I can able to print pointer x and pointer y. So here anyway it is allocating one single memory location. In that I will going to find a and b variables. So for that individual memory locations will be allocated. In that address only you can able to find the pointer x and pointer y value. So in that particular address you will going to find ab value. So that is whatever the changes happen, that will be reflect in the main function also. So that's what you can able to see a and b. So you cannot able to pass pointer over there. Okay, that's why you are getting all this. Okay, so this is all about call by reference. Thank you very much.